The best place was to be here. Like over here towards the bus.
Everything, thank you. Thank you.
It says return the pizza three was $21.
Just 20.97?
That's about the
What's that mean? Thank you. What's that 20.97 mean? Thank you. Brian had units on all of us, so we were talking about one until the very end. And back here, we're talking about what?
Which pizza is better? How much for pizza in New York?
Ain't the same price.
Don't round, guys.
The pizza is the cheapest one.
Oh, it's only 7.
Cool. I see people finishing up. Some people are writing now which pizza they would choose and why. Those people are on task and they're working efficiently. Thank you. There's one group that's going to win those 2 points.
But also the mention how much the pizza will cost. And also to tell you the pizza that is the cheapest. And to take up on the voice.
2 minutes.
I'm a cheapskate, so it's no cool. Someone just wants to buy the cheapest thing.
Done? So what's that mean? You want your 2 points, right? Is that why you're telling me that? Okay, at this one table that's done, everyone else, you have 1 minute to finish up. Are these points from today? I don't remember.
Wait, one more time. Yeah, my fault.
Yes, ma'am, Giselle. For what? Oh, for Natalie.
Yeah, send your money, only 30 cents.
Okay, math.
Yes.
Math.
Yes, yes.
All right, we should all be done, so let's talk about this. So, when we had 3 pizzas from Pizza Hut, how much did it cost us? $20.97, yes? Okay, good. When we had 15 pizzas, how much did it cost us, Alan? Ooh, it should be $104.85, right? Yes? Okay, $104.85. Okay, and then lastly, if we had 30 pizzas, Ivan, how much would it cost you? $209.70. Good. Okay, turn to the back. What about Papa John's? Josue, if we had 1 pizza from Papa John's, how much did it cost? $7. 3 pizzas cost how much, Annette? 21. 15 pizzas, Giselle. And then Jaden, 30 pizzas. Didn't get that far? It's okay. Lisbeth. 30 pizzas should be 30 times 7, which is what, Jose? 210. So what did you choose? Which pizza would you choose? Luis? Why? It has the cheapest price, sure. But did anybody choose Papa John's for another reason?
I choose Papa John's because if you get 3 pizzas from Pizza Hut, it's like
I can't hear you. I'm sorry. Speak up and sit up. Thank you.
because like if you get a pizza from Pizza Hut, like 3, and then it will be like $1 less than Papa John's.
Okay, so she says if you get 3 pizzas, then it's $1 less than Papa John's, which makes sense, right? Okay, but I chose Pizza Hut. Can anybody tell me why I chose Pizza Hut instead of Papa John's? Why was my option Pizza Hut? Kristen?
Because Pizza Hut is less safe than Papa John's.
Okay, the reason I chose Pizza Hut has nothing to do with the price. Why did I choose Pizza Hut? Think about the options. What are they giving me? Yes. Exactly. Tell me one more time. I can choose any toppings if I go to Pizza Hut, but if I go to Papa John's, I can only have 3 toppings, right? Yes? Remember that? No?
Oh yeah,
Y'all don't like to choose whatever you want?
yeah, that's what.
You like pepperoni. Okay, moving on. Let's go to key point number 1. Key point number 1. One way to compare values of products is to calculate the unit rate for each item. Can someone please tell me what a unit rate is right now for a point for your team? I've seen all of these hands before, and I want to give it another person a shot. Lisbeth. Yes, it needs a denominator of 1, but I'm asking you for the unit rate for noodles, right? Say Foodorama has sell 10 packs of noodles for $10. If I'm asking for the unit rate for those noodles, what would you tell me the unit rate was? Adrian? $1 for each, but what does that represent? What does that mean? $1 for each. Yes, but what is the unit rate is what I'm asking. I'm not asking about the unit rate for the noodles. Julie. The value of 1. So the price for 1 unit, right? So 1 unit would be 1 pack. Thumbs up if everybody gets that. Okay, cool. Alright, so Joseph finds 2 different size boxes of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and wants to purchase the better buy. Again, what did we say that the better buy was? The cheapest. So everybody underline better buy and say cheapest. Okay, the better buy is the cheapest. When we have one 12-ounce box, it's going to cost us $2.40. So that word cost, remember it represents that we have a rate. Remember that? Okay? And then after we circle cost, we underline what comes before and what comes after. What comes before is going to be the numerator. What comes after is the denominator. So we got 12 ounces for $2.40. Okay? And then there's one more box. 4 is the word that represents the rate here. So we're going to circle 4 and underline what comes before and what comes after. So we got our numerator and our denominator again. Okay? So now we need to find the unit rate for both of these. So what you see here, or on your papers, you should see 2 proportions set up for this problem, right? Okay, go ahead and solve them. Go ahead and solve them. I would say they're right, but they're wrong, you know why? You tell me? What's wrong with it? You don't know? See a unit? Oh. Thumbs up when you got them. Don't you have them? Don't you have them? Can you put your thumb up for me, please? Thank you. Sable's got it. Where y'all? Spell house. Spell house on the board. Okay, so for the 12-ounce box, you should have found that it cost how much money? 60 cents? 20. Oh, y'all said 60, so just repeating what I heard. So, okay, good. I'm good with 20, not 60. So 20 cents, yes. The 20-ounce box was 19 cents. So which box is the better buy? The 20-ounce box, because it is the cheapest. Okay, so the exemplary explanation would be that Joseph should buy the 20 ounce. Sorry, I mixed these up. 20-ounce box of cereal because it provides 1 ounce of cereal for less money than the 12-ounce box. This is killing me. I can't take it. Alright, you ready? Key point number 2. So, you can choose which unit rate to scale to 1 when calculating the unit rate. However, you must interpret your answer. Does anybody know what it means to interpret? Rosia. Ooh, I like that word. Say it one more time. To understand. So when you say interpret, or when someone asks you to interpret something, they want to see your understanding. They want to know that you understand your answer. Does that make sense? Okay. So for example, it says a package of 200 cotton balls costs $1.99, and you calculate the unit rate showing cotton balls per dollar. So we see per. What should we do with per? Circle it. So once we circle per, we underline in front and after. So what's going to go on top of our ratio right now? Joseph, what's going on top of our ratio right now? What unit?
200.
200 what?
Cotton balls.
That's for the unit. So what goes on top?
199.
You're right. Listen to what I'm saying. You're right. The 200 cotton balls is right. But if I'm just asking for the unit, then what am I asking for? Anybody want to help them out? Any help? Cotton balls. So we're going to put cotton balls on top. And then dollars on the bottom. Okay, and we know that we have this correct because this is asking us to find the unit rate, cotton balls per dollar. So I need dollars on the bottom. Okay? So then that's why they set this up correctly. 200 cotton balls over 199, so they got cotton balls over dollars. Yes, you see that? All right, and then we scale down to $1 because we want to find per dollar, meaning we're trying to find how many cotton balls we can buy for $1. Thumbs up if that makes sense. Okay, good. Okay, and so then they said that the unit rate was about 100 cotton balls per dollar. Okay, and so then we did it the other way. So this way, what does this unit rate actually mean? Okay, turn and talk to your group. You got 10 seconds to talk about what that unit rate actually means. It means something different than that first unit rate meant. Go. Okay, let's come back. What does that mean? What does this mean? Valerie. Yes, so this instead is the price or the dollar per cotton ball. Okay, the price for each cotton ball in that pack. Okay, we're good with that? Let's practice it. So, CFU says that a box of envelopes costs $2.50. Calculate the unit rate showing the number of envelopes per dollar. Okay, so let's look here. If it's asking you for the number of envelopes per dollar, let's circle per. What goes on top? Daisy, what's going to go on top? After our circle, what's my next step? What should I do? What unit? Why envelope? You're right, but why? Why did you say envelope? Why is she right? Why is she right, Fernando? Why are we putting envelopes on top? Because it comes before the per, right? And then dollar comes after, so dollar comes on bottom. So we got envelope over dollar. So that means when we find our unit rate, we're going to scale down to $1. So let's start here with the rate. 40 envelopes cost $2.50. Okay, and we want to know how many envelopes we can get for $1. So go ahead and solve that. Give me thumbs when you're done. Oh my God, Alex, put that back on. So that we're doing something important, okay? You better relay the message. No, you relay the message. So. Yes, ma'am. After this problem, when we go into independent practice. I do if I don't know the scale factor? Just divide? I need to cross multiply and divide. If I don't know the scale factor, I can always cross multiply and divide. But everybody should know the scale factor, right? You're going down to 1, so what's our scale factor? Right. So if you're cross multiplying, you're going to 40 times 1. Why doesn't the proportion have units? Because if you're not proportion, don't I have units in my proportion? You need to mirror exactly what I did. So fix it, you put your units in your proportion so you can understand what you're doing. Yes, Julie. Math.
Yes.
Hey, let's stop. Because I'm confused as to why we're having a hard time solving this proportion right now. I set it up for us, right? Yes? Okay, so there are 2 ways to solve this proportion. Again, you can either solve by dividing by 250, or you can cross multiply and divide. So 40 divided by 250. Yes? Okay. If you did that, then you should have gotten 16 envelopes per dollar. Thumbs up if you got that right now. I need honest answers and I need feedback from 100% of students in this classroom right now.
Yes.
Did I get feedback from you? Then give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Right now, I need feedback from everybody right now in this classroom. Okay, thank you. So now it's asking you for the dollars per envelope. Let's try this again. So this time, what's going on top? Dollars. So I'm putting dollars on top of envelopes. Okay, with your groups, do this one. Find the unit rate, dollars per envelope. So you want to know how many envelopes you can get. You want to know how much each envelope will cost. Thumbs when you're done, guys. Elizabeth's done. Sebastian's done. Juan's done.
66 cents.
Fernando, right here. Math. Yes. Let's talk about it. So, let me get a new marker because I don't like either one. Okay, so we got dollars per envelope. We always want to start with our rate, so it was $2.50 for 40 envelopes. Okay, and we want to know the price for how many envelopes? One. So I'm going to divide by 40. And $2.50 divided by 40 was how much? You scared? Be confident. Be confident. Melvin. 6 and 25 like this? Does that make sense? No. If you can buy 40 for $2.50, does it make sense for one of them to cost more than $2.50? No, Eileen. 62.3, like that. So $62.03. That makes sense. So one of them would cost even more than $6.25. It's gonna cost 63. 0.06. So it should cost 6 cents. Yes. Okay, I'm going to show us how to divide decimals one more time. I think that's where we got tripped up, yes? Yeah. All right, so we got $2.50 divided by 40. Okay, is 40 a whole number? Yes. 40 is a whole number, so I should not be moving this decimal inside of this little house. Everybody understands that? Instead, I should be letting my decimal rise, so I'm going to bring it up here. Now I need to see how many times 40 goes into 25. How many times does 40 go into 25? 0. So this is now a 0. 0 times 40 is 4. Oh, I'm sorry. Not 40. It's 0. So now we have 250. I'm bringing down my 0. Does that make sense? All right, cool. So now I need to see how many times 40 goes into 250. And how many is that? 6. And you get what? 240. Now we see what happened to our mistake. So far. Okay. So then we have 10. I ran out of numbers, so now I'm going to add a 0 and bring it down, yes? How many times does 40 go into 100? 2 times. 2 times 40 is 80. Then we got 20, I got to add another 0, right? Okay, and then how many times does 40 go to 200? 5. Okay, and then we now have our 0, so I'm done. So now I have 0.0625. Why can't I just leave this like this? Why can't I just leave this, Ivan? Money doesn't work like that at all, right? Instead, I need to have how many places behind the decimal? 2. So I'm going to look at this 5, and what am I going to do to this number? I'm going to round it up. So now my answer is instead 63 cents. Oh, I'm sorry. 0.06. But we would always look at that last number. Got it? We're good? Okay, so we got some more practice. On your packet, you should have a table. I want you to choose 3 of those problems to solve. Just 3. How many? 3. 3. Okay, do those problems. Give me thumbs up when you're done. Go. You can talk to your group. You guys can choose the same problems. I want you to get the help that you need. If you get stuck, even if you're stuck dividing, tell me. Don't stare at your paper. That does not help you. Brian, are you using your truck? Yeah. Right, because it still is like on the side up. Now it's like business capitalism and how to watch our don't waste yeah, like they're waiting for you. Yeah, so I would let them set it up. Get us started. Yeah, so I would like, let them set